Breaking news, the markets have officially collapsed. We are seeing unprecedented losses across the board as the Dow Jones plummets.
It's crashing! Get out now! Sell everything! I repeat, sell everything!
We're ruined. It's all gone.
If we don't act now, the entire system collapses by Monday.
I agree. We need to push through the stabilization fund immediately.
Here, Aloy Terzegas. Today, we are announcing a comprehensive stimulus package designed to inject the necessary.
With this capital injection, you should be stabilized. Please sign here.
We're very relieved. This ensures our future. I'm so glad to finally sign this.
Yes.
We are thrilled to have you. Welcome aboard.